Hi and welcome to a new tutorial in how to do things quicker in Logic, tips and tricks which will speed up your workflow, I hope. So here we're going to look at how to make a MIDI region. Usually you'd have to go here and pick up a pencil tool and go like this. There's probably other ways of doing it as well, and then you'd do like that, and then you'd open this up, and then you'd come here, secondary tool, and then you'd stick in, say, a C, E, G, and a C again. Okay. Remember, I've got my tremolo here to give me the side chain. Did that in another tutorial if you want to check that out. That's quite easy to do. It's quite quick, but there's a quicker way. So the way we can do it as well is, let's go back and close that. And what I'll do is I'll go Alt, Command and K. Brings up my MIDI keyboard, which you will find in Window Setup Input Keyboard here. Okay, so and all I've got to do here is go to chord like this, and then select, say, the C, and then your chord is done. Then you can just put it along, make that longer the same way as we did before. Just double click on that, make those notes longer if we want. Just pull them across like that. So that kind of just creates our MIDI region direct with the notes with it as well, which is quite quick. Or we can do something even more spectacular. I can just put on this, don't need all those notes, but that's just showing you what I'm doing here. I just made a scale without having to go in and put each note in, which would take me for ages and ages and ages. So there you have it. I hope this was useful. If you liked the video, give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments, and I will be back real soon. Bye.